Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and that you have enough storage space, because missing updates or low space often trigger selection issues. Once done, open the gallery or file picker where the No Photos Selected message appears and look for the Select or Edit control. Tap it to enter selection mode. Make sure app permissions for photos and storage are granted in Settings. Without them, the UI cannot register selections. Now proceed to explicitly choose one photo to test the selector behavior. Once you have selection mode active, use a long press or the Select button to highlight a thumbnail. That action signals the picker and should remove the message. If taps aren't registering, clear the app cache or force stop the app in Settings, then reopen. Temporary state often blocks selection logic. If the problem persists, switch to the system file picker or an alternate gallery to see if the fault is app-specific. This isolates whether the picker or the app integration produced the No Photos Selected state. After you select photos, confirm the selection count updates and that the action button Upload, Share, Done becomes enabled. That proves the problem is resolved. If the UI still shows no photos selected, reinstall the app and reset permissions, because corrupted app state or permission hooks can block selection callbacks. As a final troubleshooting tip, test with a small test album and, if possible, another user account. This helps reveal profile-specific or album-specific permission or indexing errors that prevent selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.